welcome to another vlog. Today's gonna be a little bit random because I really don't know what I'm doing today, high key. I am obviously right now getting ready to go to the gym. Before I do that, there's some not like work that I need to get done, but like personal work that I want to get done. So I'm actually going to go to I guess you could call it like a lounge kind of area first and do that, and then head over to the gym. I have to be to work by 6 p.m. and it's currently 1 p.m. Sorry, this thing has like lint on it. But yeah, this is my shirt. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing in a second. So I kind of wanted to go to the pool today, but like I doubt I'm gonna have time. I doubt I'm going to have time because if I have to be to work at 6, then that means I have to start getting ready at like maybe 4:30 because I'm gonna go to the gym. So obviously I'm gonna have to like shower after and stuff. I don't want to put a rush on it just because, you know, who knows how long it's gonna take me to get my personal work done. So today may actually be pretty short. Today may be pretty short. This is the top that I got in my last vlog. I don't think I tried it on for you guys, but this is from Target. And then these are the leggings that I got, also from Target. Most of my clothes is at my other place, and I'm kind of just bringing over like what I need so that it's not like stuff that I don't need here. I'm sorry, the lighting is terrible, I know, because of the background. It's so foggy today. Like the way my clothes accumulate lint is actually insane. There we go. Anyways, so yeah, so that's that. The top I got from Amazon actually, and it's really cute. It almost looks kind of like it's like a muscle shirt in a way, but it just, I usually don't like exposing my arms because I just hate my arms, I really do. But yeah, I like the way this shirt looks on me. I like the way that it sits. It's so cute. Yeah, like it gives like kind of a crop top effect, but it just like sits like at the perfect spot, I feel like, and it doesn't make my arms look too crazy. So yeah, so I really love it. Then I have on my cap, which also has lint probably on it. Let me see. I don't know, but just in case at this point. Everything has lint. See the before, and then oh, you can't really see it, but the after is, it's all combed out. Look, done. Okay, this is. Water. This bag down. I got this bag from Etsy. It's so cute. Very simple. Leather, genuine leather. I need because this is like my everyday bag. So yeah, so I'm gonna bring my phone. I'm gonna bring my iPads. My Apple Pencil is already in here. I have another Apple Pencil for the other one. This is like Apple, like, me and Apple go together real bad, clearly. I need to upload some, what is it? I need to upload some like videos for the vlog. I have my SD cards in here for that, so I'm gonna upload. I have my Beats headphones for the gym. This is what they look like for when I work out later. And then I have my, I forgot what these are called, but these are the Air, Apple, whatever it is, the Apple headphones. When I get my work done, I like to use these. And I'll grab my keys. I'm gonna grab my keys. And you know, I'm gonna grab my chargers as well. Hold on. Okay. And then I'm gonna throw on my shoes and then we'll head downstairs. This is my final fit. So I have my cup, water in it, my tablets, my keys, and my hands. And then this is the final gym outfit. I may bring a sweater, but other than that, this is it. We're gonna go and get some work done. Yeah. How are you? Okay. Good day. You too. So there's no one here, and I love that. So I totally lost track of time. It is 4:26 right now, and I haven't even gone to the gym. I was working on the next like couple of videos, so lost track of time with that. I'm still kind of working on stuff. Things are uploading. While that's happening, I really only have time for like a run, so I'm just gonna like run for like 10 minutes, I guess, and then start getting ready. I think that's better than like, you know, nothing. Let's get it. So got done with the gym, showered, all that stuff. I'm about to go to work, and I'm running late. I'm running very late. Not very late, but I'm running late enough to be terrified. Yeah, I gotta go down, like I gotta leave like now, basically. All right, so I'm gonna bring this and switch out the color. And we're going to go with white. I think for me, like getting scrubs for work was just like the best thing. Actually, it wasn't even my idea. It was the girlies. The girls that I work with, my team, they, you know, were like, it's easier like to wear scrubs. It's so much easier. It's just way more convenient. And then they got me on the bandwagon. And ever since, I'm like, yeah, no, it's so much easier. Like so much easier to just throw on scrubs. Granted, I have like maybe like six sets of scrubs that I just, you know, thing, but I love it. I think it's so cute. Yeah, so. I left this place like kind of a wreck, but I'll clean it when I get back. Yeah, I'm so awkward, being a whole fool myself. Not a fool, but still like, I don't know, I'm just awkward. I'm very socially awkward. On a good day. Okay, so let's, I never know. I was running and I was like, why like are my, like, why is it like my ears like clunky, if that makes sense? And I was like, oh, right. Because I still had on the other headphones, so I had popped these on. They're harder to get on, but I don't even know if I'm making sense. Okay. Okay, is that it? Is that everything I'm bringing? Oh, I can't even make coffee. Okay, whatever, I have to go. I have to go now. So I have the white bracelets, so I'm gonna do the white Crocs. Throw these on. And then let me show you the fit, the final fit. So I have this and then white. So that's that. All right, anyways, that's it for today. I'm gonna Head to work. Sometimes you just gotta take a second. I'm gonna head to work and I will catch you guys later.